In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in Xero. Whether you're customizing your invoices to better reflect your brand or simply tidying up your records, I'll guide you through each step you need to take to effortlessly edit invoice templates within Xero. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate towards the top of your screen and look for the tab labeled Sales. Clicking on Sales will direct you to a more detailed section where you can manage all aspects of your sales-related activities within Xero. After you've clicked on Sales, the next thing you want to do is select Invoices. Once this is done, you'll be able to access all your past and present invoices. This will include any that are awaiting payment, sent out, or even those that have been paid. This is the hub for all your invoicing activities. From the invoice menu, find the awaiting payment section and click on it. This section lists all the invoices that have been sent to customers but are still pending payment. It's useful for keeping track of what invoices are outstanding and ensuring your accounts are up to date. Now select the name associated with the invoice you intend to edit. This will take you into the specific details of that invoice. By opening up the invoice details, it allows you to review all the existing information that you might want to change, add, or update. Once you are in the specific invoice section, look for the three dots located at the top or side of the screen. This is typically the icon Xero uses for additional options, commonly referred to as the More menu. Clicking this will open up a drop-down of various actions you can choose from relating to the invoice. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This is where the fun begins, as you're now in the editing mode of the invoice template. You'll be able to modify the content to suit your requirements, whether that involves updating invoice details, adjusting payment information, or even adding new line items. Make sure to review everything for accuracy before proceeding. The interface is intuitive, which means making changes is straightforward. You can easily find fields to change things, such as item descriptions, prices, and due dates with minimal hassle. After you have completed your edits, you simply need to save your changes. A quick review afterwards is always a good idea to ensure everything looks exactly as you intended. And there you have it. Your invoice is now updated and primed to be sent out to clients, reflecting any adjustments you've made. By following these steps, you can ensure your invoices are always current and adequately reflect your business's professional image. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy invoicing!